In this problem, we need to determine the equation of a circle that's passing through 3 points, and also we need to calculate the radius and the coordinate of the center of the circle. So let us begin. So here we have a circle which is passing through the 3 points. So let's call the point as A, 5, -8. Then it passes through another point B with coordinate 2, -9, and the third point C having coordinate 2, 1. So we need to find out the equation of this circle. Now whenever we want to find out the equation of the circle, we need two information, one being the coordinate of the center and the other as the radius of the circle. Now to find the coordinate and the radius of the circle, we will use the general form of a circle. So let's first specify the general form of a circle. The general form of a circle is given by this equation: x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0, where g, f and c are constant. The coordinate of the center is then going to be given by -g, -f, and the radius is given by this particular equation. So we'll start with a general equation. Now, since the circle is passing through the point A, so this means the point is going to lie on the circle, or in other words, is going to satisfy the general equation. That means all we have to do is replace the value of x with 5 and the value of y with -8. So we get 5 squared plus -8 squared plus 2gx. So x will be 5 plus 2fy, so y is -8, plus c equals to 0. So now we can rewrite the equation to get 25 plus 64 plus 10g minus 16f plus c equals to 0. So this will become 10g minus 16f plus c equals to -89. Now let's label this as equation number 1. Then coming to point B, so the point B is also going to satisfy the general equation. So we will replace the value of x with 2 and y with -9, and that's going to give us 4g minus 18f plus c equals to -85. So let this be equation number 2. Now the circle is going to pass through the point C with coordinate 2, 1. So we're going to get 4g plus 2f plus c equals to -5. We're going to label this as equation number 3. So now we have three equations, 1, 2 and 3. That's going to be a linear simultaneous equation with 3 parameters g, f and c. So let's try to find out the value. First, we will begin by subtracting equation number 2 from equation number 1. So we have 10g minus 4g, so that's going to be 6g. Then we have -16f minus of -18f, so we're going to get positive 2f equals to, then we have -89 minus of -85, so we're going to get -84. What we can do, we can factor out 2 from each of the terms, so we get 3g plus f equals to -2. We're going to label this as equation number 4. Now what we'll do, we'll take equation number 2, and from it we're going to subtract equation number 3. So here we have 4g minus 4g, so that's 0. We have -18f minus 2f, so that's -20f, equals to -85 minus of -5, so that gives us -80. So f value, that's going to be equals to 4. Now that we have the value of f, we can substitute as equation number 4. So equation number 4 is going to give us 3g plus f, so f is 4, that's going to be equals to -2. So we have 3g equals to -6, g equals -2. We've obtained the value of g as well as f. Now what we can do, we can find out the value of c. We can use either equation 1, 2 or 3. So let's use equation number 1. So here we have 10 times g, so g value is -2, minus 16f, so f was 4, plus c equals to -89. So we have -20 minus 64 plus c equals to -89. So that gives us -84 plus c equals to -89. So c is going to be equals to 84 minus 89, but that's equals to -5. So we have the value of f, g as well as c. Now we can define the center as well as the radius. So let's do that. Now the center of a circle, it's given by negative g comma negative f. So we have obtained a value of g. So g is negative 2. So negative g will become positive 2. And do we have the f value? We obtained that f value is 4. So negative f will become negative 4. And let's find out the radius. So radius has the equation given by negative g whole squared plus negative f whole squared minus c. So we will substitute the value. So negative g corresponds to 2. So 2 squared will be 4 plus negative f corresponds to negative 4. So that squared becomes 16 minus c. So c value is negative 5. So we get negative of negative 5. So that gives us square root of 25 and the radius comes out to be 5 units. So finally we have the circle. A circle whose center has the coordinate 2, negative 4 and the radius is 5 units. To find out the equation of the circle, what we'll do? We'll use the standard form of a circle. Meaning, if we have a circle whose center is given by the coordinate h, k and has a radius of r units, then the standard form of the circle is given by the equation x minus h whole squared plus y minus k whole squared equals to the square of the radius. Now, in our case, our center, so that's h, k. So this means we have the value of h. So h comes out to be positive 2 and k comes out to be negative 4. And we have already defined the radius, so that's 5 units. Hence, we can say that the equation becomes x minus h whole squared plus y minus k, so we have y plus 4 whole squared. That's going to be equals to the radius 5 squared. So this is the standard form of the circle, and if we expand it, we are going to get x squared plus y squared minus 4x plus 8y, and this will be minus 5 equals to 0, and this gives us the general equation of a circle which passes through the given 3 points.